In the spirit of continuous improvement, Wenzel Downhole Tools is experimenting with a new high-efficiency NC machine configuration. Within the cell are 3 NC machines. Depending on the jobs lined up, each machine can be programmed to perform the same operation, 3 different operations, or a combination. In the middle of the cell is the Kanban area where parts line up in preparation for their turn on the lathe. By keeping in-progress parts at the center of the cell, the parts can be easily moved to and from any of the 3 machines. In this basic example, a part moves from machine A to B to C to complete 3 different operations before completion. In a second example, the cell's configuration allows 2 machinists to operate 3 machines. The first operates machine A to perform operation 1, while a second machinist operates machines B and C to complete identical operations on multiple parts. Once operation 2 is complete, the machinist can set up machines B and C to complete operation 3, all while parts continue to roll off of machine A to the Kanban. Machinist tools are kept within the cell at all times to maximize efficiency. Paperwork and tools most often used are kept at each machine in small desks, while shared tools are kept in a larger station at the side of the cell. The layout of cellular machining encourages a continuous flow of materials and information within each cell, reducing waiting times and idle inventory. The smoother flow helps synchronize production activities and minimizes disruptions, leading to higher productivity, on-time delivery, and happier customers.